So trying to figure out posting videos, haven't done much. Here are some spring onions I cut, put in a little cup with some water. Need to change that water out every day or so, as it tends to get a bit manky, kind of oniony, nasty. So I generally dump it out every day, fill it up again, dump it out, fill it up again, and let it sit for the day. So I'm going to try to plant those in some pots here. Also have some of the spring onions planted out with some celery. I think it might be a bit too drastic. You have to remember that as soon as those go into there, the roots are going to go from growing in water to growing in soil, and so they'll depress a bit and then hopefully they'll pick up, but we'll see how it goes. So I've got two in now. Of course, going to water them off a bit. I'm going to try to harden these inside the house. Just going to make a bit hole here. I have these soil kind of loose. This is a potting soil that I make here at the house. I use a lot of coconut coir and also some tea leaves. I'm going to add a bit more soil to this, water it, let it sit up in the house, and see how they do compared to the ones that are planted outside trying to harden. And I'll keep everyone updated. Thanks.